to learn and share with me, Faraj. Once again, thank you for following and thank you for subscribing. Thank you for hitting the notification bell. If you're new here, please don't hesitate to hit the notification bell and the subscription button. Yes, today I faced a challenge that I want to share with you, and I want to show you how I solved it. One of my disks got a problem. When I opened, I clicked on the disk, and this is the message that came, that the file or directory is corrupted and unreadable. So don't panic when you get such a message that your drive is spoiled or something like that. You can still retrieve your data, and this is how we're gonna do it. Alright, let's get started. You're going to open a command prompt. You go to the start button, open command prompt, cmd. Of course, run as an administrator as usual, and then you're going to run this command. Check disk. So you'll say c h k dsk. We're going to /f and then space. Then you open you type in the drive later. Our drive later is f and then full colon. And then you're going to press enter. So the function will start checking errors and correcting the errors in the disk. When it's done, it will pop up, and then yes, and that's it. The disk has been recovered. Thank you so much. You see that? Yes, my files are now here. As you can see now, my disk is now showing up. Yes, and that's it. Thank you for watching. See you again next time.